Guys, if you've got this problem just like me and your laptop won't start, regardless if you've got a Dell laptop, Asus laptop, Lenovo, HP, etc., then pay close attention, guys. Look, I'm pressing the power button and the laptop is not coming on. It's not turning on. I'm pressing it again. It's still not coming on. So one last time. No success. So guys, I will show you how to fix this problem. Pay close attention. Welcome to FIXtastic Contents, the channel to your solutions. Right guys, let's get started. Disconnect everything that's connected to your USB port. So including the power cord. So as you can see here, I've disconnected everything. So what you need to do, press and hold the power button for approximately 30 seconds. So count in your mind. So by holding the power button, what I'm doing, I'm draining the capacitors of the battery and also any excess power going into the motherboard. So by doing this, I'm basically doing a hard reset of the laptop. Right, so that's about 30 seconds. So what you need to do now is plug in the power cord and then power on the laptop. Moment of truth. Yes guys, it's powered on. If this solution hasn't worked for you, then pay close attention. There's solution 2. Right, let's move on to solution 2. So what you need to do is remove the power cord. Turn your laptop on the other side. If you've got a attachable battery, then it's easy. Just unclip it and remove it. But if it's fixed, then what you need to do is remove all the screws at the back base cover. And then put your finger, lift up the lid. So what I've done to fast track this video, I've undone all the screws. Just remove that cover. So as you can see, your battery will be somewhere here. There will be a battery cable just like this. You need to pull it out, guys. This is the battery connector. So just pull it out slowly and gradually. So once it's disconnected, put the cover back on. So I'm going to put the back cover on temporarily. And then I'm going to turn the laptop on the other side. So we're going to open the laptop now. And yet again, press and hold the power button for 30 seconds. Okay, so now get ready to release your finger. And then we're going to turn the laptop on the other side. Remove the back cover. Sometimes it's a bit fiddly, but with your now, you will be able to remove the cover. So reconnect the battery connector. It will make like a click noise. Just make sure it's securely in. And put the cover securely on now. Screw it all in. And then turn the laptop on the other side. Connect your power cord. And moment of truth. press the power button and let's see if it switches on. Yes guys, it has turned on. I hope this video has helped you.